Hi, first grade friends. Today we're going to be doing some sound spelling mapping. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we've been working on the long vowel silent E syllable type. The pattern is vowel, consonant, silent E at the end. The silent E is not pronounced. The first word we are going to do is the word lime. Finger stretch lime. Lime. How many fingers did you hold up? That's right, 3. So we're going to need 3 sound boxes. Then we're going to need our sounds. 1 sound per box. And we have that silent E that is not pronounced. And our gesture looks like a V. Please write the word lime. Lime. Our next word is the word spike. Spike. Finger stretch. Spike. How many sounds did you hear? That's right, 4 sounds. Spike. Please write the sounds. Spike. And we have that silent E that is not pronounced. You can see the pattern. Point to the vowel. Vowel, consonant, silent E. Please draw the gesture for spike. Spike. Our next word is the word shine. Please finger stretch the word shine. Shine. How many sounds did you hear? 3 sounds. Please write the sounds in each box. Shine. And we have that silent E sharing a box with N because it's not pronounced. Please write shine on the line. The next word we're going to write is bike. Please finger stretch bike. B-I-K. Bike. I hear 3 sounds in bike. B-I-K. Bike. Please write the sounds. B-I-K. Bike. I see the vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Please write bike on the line. Our next word is slide. Finger stretch slide. S-O-I-D. Slide. I hear 4 sounds. S-O-I-D. S-O-I-D. Slide. We have that long vowel, silent E syllable type. S-O-I-D. Slide. And our last word is stripe. Stripe. Finger stretch. S-T-R-I-P. Stripe. Oh, I hear 5 sounds. Let's try that word again. Start with your thumb. S I, p. Stripe. S, t, I, p. Stripe. S, t, I, p. And we have that long vowel silent E type. Please write stripe on the line. Way to go, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn your paper over. Okay, boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. We're going to be doing some spelling colors. You boys and girls are getting really great at this, so I'm going to go kind of quick. I'm going to read the words to you. All of these words have the long vowel I with a silent E. Remember, that silent E makes the vowel say its name, and its name is I. So we have lime, shine, 9, bike, time, dime, hike, ride, 5, hide. And I hear I, long I, in all of those words because it is the syllable type, vowel, consonant, silent E. Now, boys and girls, when you're coloring today, you don't need to color the entire crayon unless you want to, but I would like you to color in the section that has the crayon's name. All right, go ahead and finish that up. When you are done, turn it into the basket and then move on to Lexia to join us for Free Time Friday. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.